Hey everyone, welcome to Apex, North Carolina. And if you've been thinking about moving to the Triangle area, this is definitely one town you're going to want to have on your list. Apex is often called the peak of good living. And once you're here, you'll start to see why. Today, I'm going to tour you in one of the most beautiful homes here at Beazer Homes, and it's called Friendship Village. And also, stick around because I have a bonus for you that this community is offering. Hey everyone, Anjanette here, your local realtor here in the Triangle area of North Carolina, helping people move to places like Cary, Raleigh, Durham, and Apex. And if you've been thinking about moving to North Carolina or just curious what it is like to live here, you're in the right place. I tour homes, explore communities, and basically do all the walking so you don't have to until you're ready. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss anything. And whenever you're ready, 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months, reach out. I help people just like you every day, and I love to help you. Hey everyone, I'm here at Beazer Homes right now, here in Apex, North Carolina. And today we're going to tour a Friendship Village. And this model home is called the Alexander floor plan. This floor plan has 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathroom, 2-car garage, and about 3,045 square feet of living space. So let's go ahead and let's take a tour. Come on in. Wow, this home is really beautiful. As you come in onto that right side here, look at all the details here of this home. It's really beautiful. Can you close the door? And as you notice, they have all these nice windows on this side to let the sunshine in. Sorry for the mess right now because this still under construction, as you can see. But in 2 weeks, I'm going to come back here. This is like our sneak peek right now of this model home called the Alexander floor plan. So we'll come back here in a few weeks when this is all dressed up and nice. But right now, I'm so excited to just show it to you so that you will get an idea of the before and after. So, okay, let's go towards here. By the way, this floor plan, this is usually their 2-car garage, but they're going to use this to be like their, their design center temporarily. But if you purchase this home, this will be your 2-car garage on this side. Okay, so as we head here, this is your foyer. It has a nice, beautiful entryway here that leads to your closet space on this side, right? And that you can use that for your utilities or any type of storage. And here's your coat closet right here, side by. I mean, this you have that option. So, and then let's go towards your main living area here. Beautiful. As you can see, look at this gourmet kitchen. I just love the lighting fixtures that they use here. The black and the natural tone color that they chose here. Beautiful accent backsplash here. And, the cabinets are gorgeous. You have your appliances over here. And look, there's even a Butler's pantry that is located here for extra storage. And to this side will be your walk-in pantry. Lots of storage. I like all the build-ins here. And see, it has a nice, beautiful flow here. It's very open. It has this, this breakfast area here. Gorgeous. And remember, as you walked in, there's a formal dining, dining room over on that side. And this is your living room. Love, 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 love the fireplace. And it's a nice accent stone and this building. As you can see, was when we head towards here, there's this drop zone here. Very important, right? Because you can put all your, your bags there, your coats, your shoes, if you want to take your shoes off. And towards here is the full bathroom. Gorgeous. Look at the tiles here. Very nice tile, and the cabinets, light fixtures, and the shower, the full shower. Nice. And here is their office or guest suite or guest bedroom. It has also the cabinets here. If you notice, all the doors here are really tall because they're 8 foot or 8 feet height. The doors here, if you notice, they're not like the standard 7, but this is like 8 feet, 8 feet tall, doors. And the height of the ceiling is around 9 feet. So gorgeous. It has that nice open space feel to this house, and it flows very seamlessly. And here, let me show you their screen porch. Perfect for, morning breakfast, added living space here. I love it. This time it's perfect right now because it just rained last night, so everything is nice and cool here. Let's head towards this section now of the home. Let me show you the upstairs. And I'm guessing you're excited to see what is upstairs. I love, love, love the hardwood floor stairs, and it has this leading to your loft area here, or flex room. Wow, look at this nice wallpaper. This is really spacious. I just can't wait for them to decorate this one in a couple weeks, and we'll come back here and then preview it. So let's go in one of their secondary bedrooms right here. This is nice. Love the crown moldings. This is their closet space. And one good thing about this one bedroom here, secondary bedroom, is that it offers its own private bathroom here. And I like the tilings. Did you see the tiling? Wow, these are options that you guys can choose from and customize. So right now they have 40 available lot size here, available homes that you can choose and customize. And as you can see, one of those details are also available. So come on. Love the tiling here as well. Here is your full bathroom here with double vanity sinks. These are really gorgeous, and your shower and your water closet there. And let's go this way. Another secondary bedroom right here, and its own closet space here. This one is a walk-in closet. And another closet space here. Another bedroom on this side. Remember, this bedroom also has its own walk-in closet. That is a must. I love that. And now for the finale. More closet space here. And here's your laundry area here. I love this sink right here, utility sink that it offers. I love those. It's very useful. And now let's go to the primary bedroom. Very huge. You can easily fit a king size bed here. Lots of space. And right now, let us go to their primary bathroom. It has two double sink here. Lots of storage space here. And this is your water closet here. Large, tall shower. And, this tub right there, it's gorgeous. And look at this closet space. I love the way it is, being built right now. Look at all these built-in shelvings here. This is gorgeous. Very useful. And more closet space on that side. Love this tub, garden tub right here, facing a beautiful window there while you're soaking. It's beautiful, gorgeous. So you're probably going to ask me, what is the base price here? The base price here is about around 720 to 732 base price in this community. And also, like I said, there are 40 home sites available. And also, the base price is also depending on what elevation and what floor plan and upgrades you have chosen for yourself. So plenty of opportunities right now to choose from. And and also there are 7 homes available right now that are about to be finished and available. And there's at least 20 to 28 or 29,000 price cut right now. So, I hope you can take advantage of that price cut. So, all right, watch for more. This community is really all about location and everyday convenience. It's set up in a highly walkable area right across from schools and close to everything you need. So you're not driving far from your daily routine. Beaver Creek Commons, like Target, Kohl's, TJ Maxx, Red Robin, and more. Lowe's here is also very close by. And there's a lot of parks and walking trails here. Easy commute to major areas like RDU Airport, RTP, and major employments. Highway 55 and 540 is close by. Overall, Friendship Village is really ideal for buyers who want convenience and community feel without feeling isolated. And here's a little bonus for you. Please take advantage of their current incentive, which is $4,000 to use as buyers choose using it in their closing costs, upgrades, and also for premium lots. And if you're thinking moving to the Triangle, especially Apex and nearby areas, and want to see communities like this in great location, feel free to reach out anytime. You can call me, text me, or send me an email. I'd love to hear what you're looking for and help you through the process. And just remember, I help a lot of buyers locally and those relocating from out of state. There's so many great options here in Apex, and this could be where you find your next home at Friendship Village. Watch also for the next neighborhood drive.